As you walk into this home, you already see it stand out in the neighborhood. This is a house that's located in East El Paso. It's not far east side. It's not central. It's 79936. And you have a neighborhood that is what I like to call established. Most likely the neighbors around here have been in their homes their entire life. Most of these are one-owner homes. This home particular here is, of course, like a rehab. It was purchased for what we call a flip out there. But it was done right. I see a lot of homes that are rehabbed for a purpose of just selling, and they're not done right. People go and do trendy things. They put things in the homes that are not cohesive or not gonna look good down the line. This home here was done right. The selection of features, down to the flooring, the colors, everything was done right with the idea that it's gonna look good in 10 years. So like for starters, a big mistake that people do when they rehab homes is the flooring. This flooring is cohesive throughout the home. It's a similar flooring everywhere, except like the wet areas and such. But this flooring is the right choice because it's the wood tones, and right now it just looks like wood, but if you put a red couch in this room, it's gonna look good. It's gonna make that floor pop in one way. If you put a black couch in this room, it's gonna pop a different way. So this floor is gonna look good with any kind of furniture you could put in there. It's not too trendy. I think it's something I like to call timeless. Same thing with the walls, is a fresh white paint throughout, which gives you a clean slate for anything you wanna add. You could add a pop of color, you could change your furniture around, and it's gonna always look good. That continues with the kitchen, where you have, it's an all white kitchen. I think that white kitchens never go out of style. They are home kitchens that, like, again, you put anything on here, you put stools a certain color, you change them around, and it gives you a different feel, gives you a different vibe. So whether you want to look traditional, you want to look modern, the clear white kitchen is gonna stand out and look good. That's a mistake that people do with a lot of rehabs, is they get too edgy, too trendy. Then it might fit some people, it might look good for now, it might be Instagrammable, but in the long run, it's something you're gonna be like, okay, I don't like these green cabinets. They were really popular for a while. Green cabinets or really dark cabinets. A white goes a long way. And that's the same trend that is taken throughout the home, in the bathrooms, the exterior like we talked about already, and in the different bedrooms. Light fixtures are often an afterthought when it comes to rehabs. I see homes that are renovated and they put light fixtures, and I could tell they're the thing that was on sale this week or something that was really popular a few years ago. In this particular home, the light fixtures were specifically picked and chosen for the house. They are not too trendy, they're timeless. Again, I think that light fixtures make or break a room. And sometimes when you look at a light fixture, that is gonna be the focal point of the room, and everything around that should be designed according to light fixture. So in this home is an important factor. As you walk in, there's a chandelier, the living space here in the dining room, and even the bathrooms and bedrooms have the features of the light fixtures, the ceiling fans. It was not an afterthought, it was thought through in the entire process of rehabbing. Probably my favorite room in the house. It's got a lot of light. People are asking for light in their homes nowadays. We have that skylight in the main living room. Then in here you walk in, I would love to have a little office in this space, or you like to paint. I could see somebody painting in this room. It has a lot of functions. Sometimes when you walk into these homes and they're empty, there's no furniture, not staged, it's hard for somebody to imagine what could be done with this room. But this room has tons of possibilities. You're looking out to the backyard, and it could be a playroom, it could be a lot of things. It's just, I love this lighting here. Then it has this other area where it could be divided. Sometimes it's like husband and wife work from home, or you have the kids, you have two separate spaces, where you have here another nook for maybe an office, a desk, or computer workstation. So there's a super functionality in the layout of this home. It was just done right, it was thought through at some point. And sometimes when people do additions, they just don't work for the next homeowner. This one for sure, I could see somebody finding good use for it. I think as the garage was also converted to a large family room, so it could be a home business, it could be a place to gather. There's so much space in this home, like it kind of keeps going and going and going, and it's all cohesive, it's timeless, and it just works.